Hey, Christian, go and get us a piece. Watch the water right there.
Hey, that's a big piece.
Hurry up.
Christian, how could you get hit, buddy?
Alright.
That thing stings. Go, 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 go.
Get a dirty towel over there. Hurry up. Stop right there. Stop. Get a towel like I asked you, please. Let me see what you got, Christian.
I got big pieces. Like gold.
Let's see.
Big pieces.
Here.
Sorry, it's only 219.
Hey, it's actually pretty bright outside now. Is that good?
Put that down so you can walk on it. What do you hear? Y'all hear something?
I heard that. Oh.
Wow, I haven't seen one of these in a few years. It's not like this anyway.
Dang, this is big.
We do not put that in our mouth, son. You are so gross. Throw that out. You don't know where that's been.
On the ground.
Yeah, where the dog pees and the cat pees.
Right there. They don't pee right there.
They do all that all the time.
They go out there.
Christian, really? Come on, seriously, son.
You said they were supposed to be coming out? That was pretty cool.